Workers at one of the countless kebab joints in Istanbul are hoping for a profitable tourist season. Indoor dining has been banned since April due to the pandemic, leaving restaurants hungry for business.
Due to COVID-19 restrictions, we were solely dependent on takeaway and home deliveries. Our restaurant has lost approximately 75% of its revenue during the pandemic.
Fortunately, the table's been set for a rapid revival, mostly due to an economy that's proven resilient to the negative effects of the outbreak. Turkey's GDP grew a better-than-expected 7% in the first quarter, but that was before rising coronavirus cases forced authorities to implement strict social distancing rules in late April. Now, many of those restrictions are being relaxed, lifting the country's prospects in the coming months. Manufacturing is up 12%, leading the first quarter charge. Consumer spending has also risen 7% thanks to stimulus measures. Analysts are optimistic services will catch up as the spread of COVID-19 slows.
I will join millions of other people here in Turkey who are anxious to get back to restaurants and cafes and spend time outside. I think they're going to bounce back very quickly. I think summer is here, which is a great time for everyone to take advantage of these type of establishments.
Peaking at more than 60,000 in April, daily cases have dropped to fewer than 8,000. Part of the credit goes to the government's vaccination drive. Close to 30 million Turks have received at least one jab. And more than 12 million people, or around 15% of the population, have the full protection of 2 shots. Barring any supply issues, Turkey hopes to complete its inoculation campaign in the coming months. That would help restaurants make up for lost time by keeping their doors open. Paolo Montecillo, TRT World, Istanbul.